focusing on using the place value chart to do addition, bundling, and trading. So if you have these problems here and you want to use a place value disk, and I'm going to choose to do B here. So 34 plus 17. They want you to focus on writing the problem vertically. So vertically means that I make columns of tens and ones. So 34 plus 17 is how they want you to form it vertically. Then they want you to solve it using the place value chart. So next to that problem, I'm going to make tens and ones, abbreviating using a T for tens and an O for ones. And I'm going to draw 34 place value disks just for us in pictures or just little circles. 34, 3 tens and 4 ones. That's my first number. Then I'm going to draw my second number, which is 17, which is 1 10 and 7 ones. So now I have my tens and my ones all together. Now I'm going to take my ones and I'm going to count them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I get to 10, I'm going to stop and circle them to signal that I know it's 10 and I have bundled 10 together. So this is our symbolization for bundling when we are bundling. Then I'm going to write a T because I know I can trade 10 ones for 1 10. So I'm going to trade now and make these 10 ones into 1 10. So I'm going to draw a new 10 there. I now have 1 10 left over. So I'm going to write what I count, and that's 1 10 left over. Then I'm going to, 1 1 left over. Then I'm going to count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tens. So I'm going to write how many there are, and then I'm going to transfer this information over to my numbers. So the first thing I did was I bundled. I had 11. I bundled. I had 1 left over, and I had 1 new 10, and I made a new one. So now I have 1 plus 3 plus 1. I'm going to add all of those numbers together, and 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So I'm checking with numbers, and it should match my picture. And that is using a place value chart and bundling and trading.